We are from Forta PRO. We are in Norway at the exhibition Big Race Day, together with our partners from company PRO and Korpinen. We present our advanced accessible prefabricated pod with accessories from company Korpinen. So I would like to introduce our partners. Anu, could you please tell more about the pod and accessories?
Yes, it has been a pleasure to be at the same booth here at the fair. It's a benefit for both of us because it's been interesting to see how the people who enter our booth, they are interested in most of the cases they are interested either our bathroom products or your elements, but very often it has been a combination of both of them.
Welcome to our prefabricated accessible pod. It is made with LGS profile, so it's very light, just 225 kilograms per square meter, with a very thin floor. It's equipped with special accessories from company Korpinen from Finland. So I think it was very good exhibition. Hermans, what do you think?
I think it was a very successful exhibition for our company, a lot of new clients, a lot of potential leads for us, and most important, that finally we can present on the Norwegian market our new product, prefabricated bathroom pods.
But important that we do the pods not only for healthcare facilities, we do it also for hotels, for private apartments. So if you need your pods for your projects, visit our website fortapro.com and order it for your needs.